You have no idea how much a woman reads you in a single hug. Just one moment, one pull, one breath, one touch, and in that space, something quiet but powerful happens. Because beneath the surface of something that looks simple, her mind is working fast. She's not just hugging you, she's feeling you, interpreting you, deciding, without words, whether you feel safe, whether you feel grounded, whether she can relax around you, or whether something feels off. Most men never realize this. They think a hug is just politeness, a greeting, a goodbye, a quick social gesture. But to her, it's information. It's emotional data. It's a silent conversation between two bodies. And in those few seconds, she picks up on things you didn't even know you were communicating. Your confidence, your presence, your comfort with closeness, your ability to lead without forcing, your ability to hold without needing. That's why two men can hug the same woman, and she walks away feeling completely different about each of them. One feels forgettable, neutral, empty. The other lingers in her mind. So let's break down what actually creates that difference. The first shift happens before the hug even begins. It's the way you move toward her. Most men hesitate. They pause. They look for permission in her eyes. Their body asks a question instead of making a decision. And that hesitation, even if it's subtle, sends a message: uncertainty. But when you approach with calm intention, no rush, no stiffness, no overthinking, something changes. You're not asking, you're inviting. And that energy alone starts shaping how she feels before you even touch her. Then comes the contact. And this is where most men completely miss the moment. They either go too light, like they're afraid to be felt, or too tight, like they're trying to prove something. Both feel off. Both feel disconnected. What creates impact is grounded presence. When you bring her in, one hand, just one, settles firmly on her upper back, right between her shoulder blades. Not wandering, not hesitant, just steady. There's something about that spot. It's where tension sits. It's where stress gathers. And when your hand meets that space with calm, controlled pressure, her body reads it instantly. Not as force, as support. It feels like structure, like steadiness, like something she can lean into without thinking about it. And she won't analyze it consciously, but she will feel it. She'll feel herself soften just a little. And that's the moment where most men rush. They tap, release, move on. But what she notices is not just how you start the hug, it's how you stay in it. Holding a hug just slightly longer than expected, just a fraction beyond the normal rhythm, creates a completely different emotional imprint. Not long enough to feel awkward, just long enough to feel intentional, because now the hug isn't automatic anymore. It's chosen, and in that small extension of time, her mind shifts. She becomes aware of the closeness. She notices the stillness. She feels the difference between routine contact and presence. And presence is what people remember. Now here's something even more subtle and even more powerful. Your breath. Most men don't think about it, but their body gives them away instantly. Tight chest, shallow breathing, held tension, and she feels that. But when you exhale slowly, calmly, naturally, while holding her, your body sends a completely different signal. You're not rushing. You're not performing. You're not in your head. You're just there. That slow breath creates a quiet sense of ease, and her body responds to it automatically. Her shoulders drop a little. Her muscles loosen. Her nervous system mirrors yours. She doesn't think, he's breathing slowly. She feels, I'm comfortable here. And comfort, when it's paired with presence, becomes something deeper. It becomes trust. And trust is what allows attraction to grow without pressure. Then comes the final detail, the one almost no one talks about, but everyone feels. As the hug begins to release, there's a brief moment where closeness can either fade or intensify. Most men pull away abruptly. The connection breaks instantly. But when the separation is slow, when your movement stays controlled, something different happens. A slight shift of your head, a natural brush of proximity, not forced, not exaggerated, just subtle enough to feel real. That tiny moment creates awareness. It moves the interaction from distant to personal, from neutral to memorable, and she might not even know why. She'll just replay it later. That hug felt different, not because of something obvious, but because everything about it felt intentional without being overwhelming. When all of these elements come together, your approach, your touch, your timing, your breath, your presence, you create something most men never do. a moment that feels effortless but leaves a lasting impression. And the truth is, none of this is about manipulation. It's about awareness. It's about understanding that small moments carry weight, that how you show up physically says more than what you say verbally, and that attraction often starts in silence, long before words ever get involved. Most men go their entire lives overlooking this. They focus on what to say, what to text, what to do next. But they ignore the simplest interactions, the ones that quietly shape how they're perceived. A hug is one of those moments. Done without thought, it disappears. Done with presence, it stays. And once you understand that, you stop treating these moments like routine. You start treating them like opportunities. Because in the end, it's never just a hug. It's a feeling. And feelings are what people remember.